ZaraLittleKids and nursery rhymes.
Let's build a block tower so tall it touches the ceiling. Look at all these blocks. We need every single one. Let's make a strong base. Careful, careful. Ow! That's okay. Let's try again. Wow, look how tall it's getting. Oh! Wobble! Quick, balance it! Teamwork makes it stronger. We can do this together. The ceiling is so close! Crash, but that's okay! Having big dreams is always worth it!
Thanks for watching! Subscribe, like, and share.